Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. My name is Trupti. I am paper quilling artist. Sorry again today I have to change the live time because my husband has to work for a long time and my son had practice so I had to go and pick him up. So that's why I changed the time again. Sorry about that. So how are you doing everyone? How was your weekend? Um, my weekend was good. Last week I did two more cross frames. Let me show you. These are same like this. So I made these two cross frames. So in last 2 weeks I made five cross frames. So now I am thinking of taking break from cross frames and I am thinking of making something different. Um, here in near to my place, I think 15 to 20 miles, there is one local shop where sometimes I keep my frames and cards for sale. So last weekend I went there and I showed some of the pictures of my lady portraits to the owner, and she loved it. So she asked me to bring my all lady portraits frames uh, so that she can sell them there. So if today I made this lady portrait, this time I didn't add pendant. I just made the flower and I just added the uh, necklace chain. That's it. I didn't add pendant. So I have to do two more uh, lady portrait frames, and then next weekend I will give these frames to her. And again, I also need to make some more uh, cards for her. So next couple of this weekend and next week I will be little bit busy in making that, and I will don't worry, I will show you maybe pictures, or if uh, available I can show you the frames again. So today I am going to show you one more flower. uh, we are going to make flower with quilling comb and slotted tool. Let me adjust my camera. Okay, let me add my camera. Okay, that's good. So today I am going to use pre-cut strips that you get in the store. So I am going to use these two colors. So let's take any color strip and take quilling comb. If you don't have quilling comb, it's fine. You can use your regular hairbrush. So this is quilling comb. It has teeth and it has numbers. So I am going to see number 10, and I am going to uh, put strip like this, and I am going to wrap it around number 10 strip, and then I am going to glue it here. Hold it for a few seconds like this. Now what I am going to do, I am going, okay, let this try. So this is number 10 pin, right? So now I am going to take the strip from the back, and I am going to take this strip from number 9 pin. But this time I am going to wrap it. Oh, just a minute, my strip is not glued properly. Okay, now take this strip on the back And now I am going to wrap this strip around number 9 pin and take it front again like this, and then glue it at the bottom. Now take the strip back, and now we have to go to opposite direction here and take strip up, and then again glue it on the bottom. Now we are going to opposite direction, and now we will wrap this strip around number 8 pin and then glue it, and then again go back and take from other side, wrap it around number 8 strip like this, and then glue it. So like this you can go around pins and glue it until your strip is done. So now my strip is done. So I am going to put glue and hold it for few seconds. So I will let it dry here. And I already made some petals. So your petal will look like this. So we need 5 of these petals. So I use 3 white paper strip, and I use big paper strips. If your strips are small, you can connect 2 paper strips together and you can make it bigger one. So we need 5 of these, and now we will take another color strip. I'm going to take this yellow color strip, and we need circle sizer for this. We are going to make eye shape. Take one strip and then roll it. If you are new, let me show you. This is slotted tool and it has one slot, so you have to put strip in the slot, and you have to keep tiny but strip out and then roll it. You have to hold these 2 fingers like this, and you have to hold very gently, don't push it, and then roll it. Don't give a lot of pressure, just roll it gently. Roll whole strip and then remove it and put it in the circle. Let it open it. Now remove the circle. Now I am going to make eye shape. So this is the open part. I am going to hold coil like this, and I am going to pinch the coil like this, and then put glue here. So this is eye shape. So we need 5 of these eye shapes. Now let's assemble this flower. Take any board. First, we are going to assemble this flower separately, and after it dries, we will glue these flowers on top of each other. So let's take glue, put glue on the side, put on the board. Now glue 2 more petals like this, and then put glue on another petal, glue it like this, this. So this is one flower. Let this dry, and now we are going to glue these petals. So let's take one petal and we are going to put glue on the side like this. Put it here. Now take another petal, glue on the side. One more petal. And glue it. You can make ornament like this also, just with this comb, quilling comb flower. You can make ornament, and you can use multiple colors instead of just one color. You can use multiple colors. So these are two flowers. Let them dry. Now I will make one small middle part of for that flower. So I am going to use dark color strip, and I am going to make tight coil with this. So you have to just roll the paper strip and then glue it, remove it and glue it. Hold it for a few seconds. Now this flower is almost dry. Oops, no, it's not dried, but let me try it. You have to let this dry completely. Okay, it's not dried. Okay, let me try another way. You can make separate flower, or you can just arrange these petals in between these two big petals like this, or just take flower and glue it here. And I told you you need to. Okay, this flower is not dried. For quilling you need to be patient and patience, and you need everything to be dry. So what I am going to do, I am going to just glue these petals directly on these big petals. If you want, you can make the flowers different. Let them dry completely and then glue on top of each other like this. And now last one. Press it for some time so that everything will glue properly, and then this middle part, take glue, put glue and press it. Hold it for some time. Let this dry completely. So your beautiful flower is ready. I hope I hope you enjoy seeing this flower, and I hope you will make something like this. If you make something like this by watching my videos, don't forget to share picture with me. I would love to see your pictures of your creations. And if you want to learn something different, then you can also send me message. I will try to show you those things uh, in future lives. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Um, so till next time, good night. Happy quilling. Bye.